types of businesses to invest in for 2025. If you're ready to secure your financial future in 2025, it's crucial to focus on investments that are sustainable, profitable, and aligned with the demands of the modern world. Here's a detailed look at 3 types of businesses that can help you grow your wealth. 1. Invest in land, the foundation of wealth. Land is one of the oldest and most reliable forms of investment, and its value continues to grow over time. While trends in technology or stocks may come and go, the importance of owning land never diminishes. Here's why investing in land should be at the top of your list. Why land is a strong investment. Appreciation. Land values tend to increase over time, especially in areas with growing populations and economic activity. Tangible asset. Unlike stocks or digital investments, land is a physical asset you can see and use. Versatility. You can develop the land for residential, commercial, agricultural, or even industrial purposes. How to invest in land. Look for areas with growth potential, such as emerging towns, cities, or areas near planned infrastructure projects, example, highways or tech hubs. If buying land on your own is too costly, consider partnerships. For instance, you and a group of trusted friends or family members can pool resources to buy a larger piece of land. This way, you can split the profits when its value increases or use it for development projects. Additional opportunities with land. Lease the land to farmers, event organizers, or businesses. Develop the property to build rental homes or commercial spaces. Hold onto the land and sell it later when the value appreciates. 2. Diversify your investments, balance and security. The world is changing rapidly, and relying on just one type of investment can be risky. Diversification is a strategy that helps protect your money by spreading it across different industries or sectors. Why diversification matters. Reduces risk. If one investment performs poorly, others may do well, balancing your overall returns. Seizes opportunities. By investing in different areas, you can take advantage of trends in multiple markets. Increases stability. A diversified portfolio is less vulnerable to economic downturns in any single industry. Areas to consider for diversification. Real estate. Apart from land, invest in rental properties or real estate development projects. Residential and commercial properties can generate consistent rental income. Technology startups. The tech industry continues to grow, with opportunities in AI, software development, and e-commerce platforms. Agriculture. With the global demand for food increasing, investing in farming, agro-processing, or agri-tech innovations can yield significant returns. Stocks and bonds. If you're comfortable with financial markets, consider investing in a mix of high-growth stocks and stable bonds for long-term gains. How to diversify effectively. Start small, begin with 1 or 2 sectors and expand as your knowledge and capital grow. Work with experts, consult financial advisors or investment consultants to make informed choices. Stay informed, keep an eye on market trends to identify emerging opportunities. 3. Focus on high-demand opportunities, solve problems, build wealth. One of the easiest ways to succeed in business is to meet the needs of others. Businesses that solve problems or make life better for people are always in demand. Key industries with high demand in 2025. Health and wellness. People are spending more on fitness, mental health, and organic or health-focused food products. Gyms, wellness retreats, and health tech are booming sectors. Digital services. The internet has created endless opportunities. Consider businesses like social media management, web design, or digital marketing to support other businesses in reaching their audience online. Sustainable products. As environmental awareness grows, businesses offering eco-friendly products or services, such as solar energy solutions or biodegradable packaging, are thriving. E-learning and skill development. With more people looking to upskill, online courses, workshops, and tutoring are in high demand. Platforms that teach coding, language skills, or entrepreneurship can be particularly profitable. Steps to tap into high-demand businesses. 1. Research your target market to understand what people need. 2. Start small by solving a single problem exceptionally well. 3. Scale up as your business gains traction. Sometimes, the best way to achieve success is by working with others. Collaboration allows you to pool resources, skills, and ideas to pursue bigger opportunities. How to collaborate successfully. Form investment groups, join forces with friends, family, or colleagues to invest in larger projects, such as real estate or businesses requiring significant capital. Seek experts, partner with people who have experience in the industry you're investing in. For instance, if you're investing in agriculture, work with someone who understands farming. Create win-win partnerships. Make sure everyone in the partnership benefits fairly from the investment success. Collaboration not only reduces the financial burden but also helps you tap into expertise and networks you might not have on your own. Adopt a prosperity mindset, the foundation of success. No matter how great the opportunity, it won't work if you don't believe in your ability to succeed. Your mindset is the driving force behind your actions and decisions. How to develop a prosperity mindset. Stay positive, believe that opportunities are everywhere and that you have what it takes to achieve success. Learn continuously, invest in your personal growth by reading, attending seminars, or taking courses. Knowledge opens doors to better opportunities. Take action, don't wait for the perfect time. Start small, make adjustments, and keep moving forward. Embrace challenges, understand that every setback is a learning opportunity. Persistence is key to overcoming obstacles. Final thoughts. 2025 is full of opportunities, but success depends on your willingness to take action. Whether you're investing in land, diversifying your portfolio, or tapping into high-demand markets, the choices you make now can shape your financial future. Don't wait for the right moment, start planning, learning, and investing today. With the right mindset, strategy, and partnerships, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Thanks for watching. We believe that you got value in this video. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing tips and secrets to scale your business and make more money.